Join us on an exciting adventure as we uncover a hidden gem on Tekoa Mountain in Russell, Massachusetts. After a challenging climb, we stumbled upon a mysterious cave at the mountain's peak. To explore its depths, we had to carefully descend using a ladder. The cave revealed stunning rock formations and a sense of mystery that captivated us. It was a truly unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling adventures like this one. Stay tuned for our next exploration. Thanks for watching.